What is up, everyone? This is Seth with Dropppin. And before I begin this video, I want to thank everyone from the community for supporting us, for giving us suggestions. You have helped us turn Dropppin into an amazing app, and I cannot be more thankful and grateful for all of your help. With that said, I'm going to dive deep into the video and show you how the new white label solution works. Previously, before, the white label was very confusing. There were a few bugs. And that is a result of us trying to make everyone happy. We were getting suggestions and feedback from our Facebook community group and also different LTD platforms. And we built something that was confusing. The UI UX wasn't there. And I made a decision a couple of weeks ago to dummy it down, make it simple so that all of you can use it effectively. So first thing first, when you go onto your Dropppin, onto your settings and onto the white label tab, you're going to be brought with the first screen that you have to take care of. Here, you're going to upload your logo and your favicon, and you're going to customize your button color and button text. This is going to show on your login page. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to add a subdomain where users will be able to visit to log in. So if you're an agency and you want your clients to visit your own link to log in, I would suggest using something like signup.yourdomain, login.yourdomain, and this is where your customers are going to go and log in. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you can see right now, it says app.dropppin, but if we preview it on the white label, you'll see it shows .landingpagedudes.com, which is my agency. So this is fully white label. Nowhere on this will you see Dropppin, even the email that gets sent. And I'm going to show you how that works. Once you've set up your white label, the next thing you want to do is go to the custom SMTP. Remember, you want the emails to be sent from your domain, so it's important that you set this up. If you don't know how to do it, it's super simple. All you have to do is go into YouTube, type in whatever provider you're with, if it's G Suite, if it's Yahoo, and they will show you how to create an SMTP and get the password. It takes only a few minutes. So this is the second step. The second thing you want to do is you want to create your own mailer. Make sure that those emails that are going out to customers are being done under your domain. So now that I've added that, I want to then go into user management. So this is where we've kind of simplified everything. You can see here, I've created a workspace called Client 1. Let's just pretend you're an agency and this is your client. Your client could be a Shopify store. Your client could be a dentist. Your client could be a lawyer. What you want to do is you want to add your client to that workspace. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Send Invitation. You're going to select the workspace, and then you're going to put in their email. Now, it's important you understand the difference between allocating a seat. I suggest not doing that. If you're just looking for your client to have the basic settings, do not allocate a seat. If you want your customers to be able to manage all the workspace settings, then you can allocate it. This is something that can be turned on and off. For the initial invite, I would suggest turning this off just to make it more simpler for you and to have everything under your control. Once you click Send Invitation, I'm going to show you what that looks like in Gmail. So just give me a couple seconds. You'll see here, I've now been added. Invitation to join workspace. It comes from the landing page dude email. Everything is login.landingpagedudes. There is no mention of Dropppin. It's 100% white label. Your customer will not be able to see our branding. Now imagine I am a customer and I click on accept invitation and join workspace. Here, I'm going to be able to put in my password. I'm going to put in my email. I'm going to put in a password. Let's hopefully I get this correct. Awesome. I'm going to put remember me and I'm going to register. Once I've registered, that customer is then going to get that verification email right away. And again, everything is branded. It's white label. There is no Dropppin. You can check in from the email down to the links, even the link here to get them to verify. The customer is then going to click on here and they're going to be able to log in. Once your customer logs in, they will have the basics. You'll notice now they only have access to campaigns, creators, notifications, and transactions. They have no access to all the other things like the white label, the SMTP. And this is the way that we've created the white label. We wanted to make it simple and we wanted you to have full control. And the benefit of doing this is there's no confusion. It's easy for you to manage. And even your client, he's not able to change workspaces. He's in his own workspace. Now, as an admin, once your customer has joined, you'll be able to jump into their workspace. You'll have access to everything. Remember, they only have access to limited things. You'll be able to help create campaigns, manage integrations. This is great for agencies that are kind of doing everything for the customer. Now, if you want the customer to be able to manage themselves, then allocate that seat and give them that ability. Now, for a lot of you asking, how can you resell this? You can resell this to customers. We give you the tools, the white label tools, and you just manage the billing. You could use Stripe or you could use any other POS to manage recurring billing. We discovered that this is the easiest way for us moving forward. And of course, if we have any good suggestions on how to improve this, we will definitely hear them. But I thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you appreciate this new upgrade. And again, any comments, any suggestions, feel free to comment below. And I will be back again shortly with another video. Have an absolutely incredible day. And again, thank you for working with Dropppin.